In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off app drawer on Poco C75. Go in settings, scroll down, go in home screen, tap on home screen. Here you can see with app drawer is enabled. Now to disable the app drawer, simply tap on classic. Now let's check it out. As you can see, when I swipe up, no app drawer is opening. All the apps is coming on the right side. So to turn on the app drawer, go in settings again, select the with app drawer from here. Now let's check it out. Let's swipe up. As you can see, app drawer is showing now. So this is how you can turn on and turn off app drawer in Poco C75. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.